Hello, Bubbly Bears. Here's another video of capturing everything that we've done so far this year. Can you believe we only have 20 days left of this school year? Yes, 20. How exciting is that? But boys and girls, just because we have 20 more days doesn't mean that we're going to slack off anything. We have to match the effort with the expectation. The expectation is for us to continue to soar, because that's what Bubbly Bears do. So we're going to go on a quick review and talk about everything that we possibly can in this video. And I've done over 200 videos this year. How many of you have watched every single one of them? I sure hope so. And I also want you to go back and look at them. Okay? Make sure you do. If there's something you need extra help with, go back and look at it. So today, again, we're going to match the effort with the expectation because Bubbly Bears have high expectations, and we can and we will. So now let's review a little bit. Today, right here, we know that these are letters. Everybody see these letters? And we know that letters make sounds. Is that right? So like the letter H says what? What about the letter G? G. How about that letter A? It says ah and A, doesn't it? Good job. So we got letters. Then when we put those sounds together, we get what? Words like am, like is, like us, like go, as we continue to light up. Then, boys and girls, we put sentences. Letters make words. Words make what? Sentences. The sun is up. I can jump. That's right. If you can say it, then you can write it. Because writing is what? Talking on paper. Writing is talking on paper. Excellent job. So boys and girls, remember, light up a little bit. You got the word I. What is this word right here? This is the word what? Get. You have plenty of opportunities to work on your lightning words. You have all of these words at home. This is the word is. Right here we have the word in. So keep working on your lightning words. O-U-T spells what? You're out. That's exactly right. W-E-N-T. Lots of times when we're writing about ourselves, we want to write I went. So we didn't make sure we can spell went. W-E-N-T. Everybody got that? So now as we're talking about writing, do you remember this story that I read earlier in the school year? It's on your Google Classroom. I need you to find it. I can write. Everybody say that. I can write. And you can write as well as read. So now, these are different stages of writing. Here we started off in that just drawing a picture. Then we start to scribble. And then we're working on random letters. But once we know sounds, we don't just write letters. If it says what letter is that? That is the letter M. So you have to use stretchy snake to write. For example, if I want to write the word rat, let's put it on our fingers. What's the first sound? Rat. Do it again. Rat. And the first sound that makes the sound, what letter is that? R. That's right. What letter? A. T. We just wrote the word at. You can stretch it out also. And then we keep writing. And when you know those lightning words like the word like, L-I-K-E, you need to write that, okay? So make sure nothing beats a failure but a what? A try. And everybody in this room is a reader, and you're also a what? A writer. Don't forget digraphs and blends, okay? Digraphs, 2 letters put together. And how many sounds does it make? 1. One sound dies. S-H-S-H. What is your sound? Sh, 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 sh. C-H-C-H. What is your sound? Ch, 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 ch. So don't forget them, okay? There's a video with the blends and the diagraphs. Next week, we're going to start zooming closer to those blends. A blend is made of 2 consonant friends, consonant friends, consonant friends. A blend is made of 2 consonant friends that are seen and both are heard. Let me see. I have a couple blends for you right quick. So let's take a look at some blends. What sound? Gl. That's right, like glasses, like glove. Everybody said gl. You hear both sounds, don't you? What about FR? Like your friends, like a frown. SK, like a scooter. okay? Like a scoop of ice cream, because we're going to be diving into those blends. You hear both sounds. If I had my blender and I put those blueberries in there, I put those strawberries in there, and when I blend them together, what are you going to taste? You're going to taste the blueberry strawberry blend smoothie. Woo, get my words tangled up here. You're going to taste both because we blend them together. Everybody got that? So those are some literacy skills. Use your stretchy snake. Lips the fish. Say it. Get your lips ready, your mouth ready. Say it. You got to hear it, okay? Stretch it out. Make it happen. Chunky monkey. If you know parts of it, then put the other part to it, okay? And you got to keep trying. That trying line, that's one of my favorites. Try and try again. And ask yourself, does it look right? Does it sound right? Does it what? Make sense. That's exactly right. All right, so now, remember when we started to subitize? We're going on to math skills now. When we subitize, we count with our eyes. Is that right? Subitize, count with your eyes. It's a visualization, so we have to do it real fast. How many? 5. How many? 1. How many? 3. How many? 2. We're going to go back and work on that a little bit also, boys and girls. So be ready. Subitize, visualize, count with your what? Your eyes. All right. And remember, 3D shapes. What is this? It is a cylinder. Cylinder, cylinder. What's your clue? I look like a can of what? Chicken noodle soup. That's right. And then we have 2D shapes. Who is this? This is Susie who? Susie Circle. That's right. 2D shapes are flat. How many vertices, corners does Susie Circle have? She has 0. You're exactly right. Some of you have gotten this 2D shape right here. So let's look at this. This is Harry who? Harry Hexagon. That's exactly right. How many vertices does Harry have? He has 6. Harry Hexagon has 6. So make sure that you know the difference between your 2D shapes and your solid 3D shapes. Good job. Good job. All right. Now, numbers. We should be able to identify all of our numbers from 1 to 20. We start with the number 1. And we go all the way to the number, what? 20. Make sure you're counting. Numbers in the teens have a group of what? They have a group of 10. And there's those extra ones. 14 is a group of 10. And how many ones? There are 4 extra ones right there. Okay? Make sure you're working on your numbers. You're going to have to count these again. Different sets of objects. You're going to have to write those numbers. Everybody got that? Now, what is measurement? The what? The size or amount of something. That's exactly right. When you measure something, you want to know how much or the exact measurement of something. Is it longer, shorter, taller, shorter? Is it heavier? Remember things that are heavy or light, or how much will it hold? Capacity. So remember that when you're comparing two things, use those words: longer, shorter, heavier, lighter, bigger, smaller, holds more, holds less, height with taller and shorter. Everybody got that? It's just like if we took these 2 markers right here, and you can see both. And what would we say about them? The black one is what? It is longer than the green one. That's exactly right. They are both markers. We can write with them. Those are ways that are alike. Then if we turn it this way, we can also see that the green one is shorter than the black one, and the black one is taller than the green one. Is that right? That's exactly right. So boys and girls, we've learned a whole lot this year. We're going to keep pushing. Remember, match the effort with the expectation. Bubbly bears soar. So I want you to watch this video this week. It doesn't matter if you come to school face-to-face or if you're at home. Everybody needs to watch this video. Work hard so we can win big.